Good afternoon, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahant, your English teacher. Today we will study English grammar, adjectives. Okay, so pay attention to my every words and listen carefully. Okay, let us to define the adjectives. We will see some examples to understand it. Okay, now one Apurva is an intelligent boy. Okay, now dear students, Apurva is which kind of boy? Okay, what kind of boy? This sentence makes a question. What kind of boy is Apurva? Okay, so there is a question. Okay, and second question, I don't like that house. Okay, and I don't like that house. It means in which sentence uh, he's telling about a kind of house. Okay, which kind of house he don't like. Okay, which house. Okay, there is symbol which house. Okay, and now in third example, I have 5 books. Okay, I have 5 books. There is a illustration or example, how many books. I have 5 books. How many books? Question is given there. Okay, and another question point, there is little time left. Okay, there is little time left. How much time? The sentence is in question makes how much time. Okay, so students, in sentence 1, intelligent shows that kind of boy Apurva is. Okay, kind of boy Apurva is. Apurva is a which kind of boy? Intelligent boy. Okay, and in sentence 2, that points our which house is mean it. Okay, that means which house is mean it. And in sentence 3, 5 shows how many books I have. 5 shows how many books I have. Okay, and in sentence 4, which shows that how much time is left. Okay, little. How much time? Little shows that how much time is left. Okay, dear students, and definition, a word used with a noun to describe its kind, place, number or word. Okay, so dear students, adjective is a word which qualifies the noun, number, place, anything, which adds something. Okay, dear students, now we see another uh, examples. Okay, and now we read some another example to understand this. Okay, the look at the boy. Okay, look at the following sentences. The boy is hard working. Okay, and second number is the boy is hard working, and the hard working boy stood first. Okay, the hard working boy stood first. Second, in both these sentences, hard working describes the boy. Okay, hard working describes the boy, hence it is a adjective in both the sentences. Okay, hard working is the adjective in the both in sentences. In the first sentence, hard working is used along with the verb is. In hard working is used along with the verb is, and is a part of a predicate, and is a part of a predicate, and it is therefore said to be used predicatively. Okay, in the second sentence, hard working is used along with the noun boy, it means as an attribute of the boy. So it is therefore said to be used attributively. Okay, and now this is kinds of a adjective. Okay, and we will read kinds of adjective. There are three kinds of adjective noun: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. Okay, number means also known as numeral adjective. Okay, so at first we will study adjective of quality. Quality मतलब विशेषता, specific. Okay, and now it shows the quality of a person or thing. In this adjective of quality, it shows the quality of a person or thing. Kolkata is a big city. Okay, Kolkata is a big city. Which kind of city? Big city. Okay, and Dr. Singh is an honest man, and a foolish man died of his folly. This book is of English language. Adjectives of quality answer the question what kind of. What kind of. Okay, dear students, what kind of. And in this uh, example illustration, the adjectives are big. Okay, big is adjective. Honest man is adjective. Okay, foolish is adjective, and okay, and foolish is adjective. Okay, okay, this is the quality of a particular person or things. Okay, now we will study the second part of this adjective, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, quantity, it shows the quantity of a noun, or it describes. It shows the quantity of a noun. What shows quantity of a noun? It has some senses. He has some senses. He has some sense. Ram had more patience. He has little intelligence. He has enough money. He has no wisdom. Okay. Adjective of quantity answers the questions how much. It answers the questions how much. In these examples, some are adjective. Okay. More, much are adjective. Little are adjective. Enough are adjective. Okay. No are adjective. Understood? This shows the question of how, answer the question of how much. And another kinds of adjective is adjective of number. It gives the number of persons or things. Okay, and there are few rooms in this house. Okay, 5 people can remain hungry. There are no books in this room. All men die must. Okay, adjective of number. This gives number. This is 5 numbers. This is 5 numbers. Okay, remain 5. Few people, few adjective. There are books. There are no books. None is the number. Okay, all men must die. These are the adjective of numbers. Okay, dear students. These are the examples of adjectives and kinds of adjectives. Okay, we have explained you 3 kinds of adjective. Okay, and kinds of adjectives, things that which qualifies the noun, pronoun, or adjective. Okay, if and we have seen 3 types of adjective. Okay, first is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. Okay, I hope you have understood this explanation. Okay, if you have any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.